To prevent the frown, over time, sometimes the cheeks will get lazy and we get obsessed with maybe problem solving again instead of using the brows. You sometimes pull the muscles down on the cheeks. So if you're studying or focusing on work, we want to maintain mind-body connection and continuously, consciously activate cheeks, middle cheek, and inner cheek. And these muscles will pull the tissues upward. You'll also be able to detect when you're pulling it downward. Check in with nearby muscle groups: lower eyelid, eyebrow, ear, and upper cheek. Inhale, press, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with the surrounding muscles: lower eyelid, brow, ear, upper cheek. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles: brow, eyelid, ear, upper cheek. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with the surrounding muscles: brow, ear, lower eyelid, upper cheek. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles: brow, lower eyelid, ear, upper cheek, and middle cheek. Inhale, press and lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles: brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles: brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek, lower cheek. Inhale, plant, lift, exhale, soften. Brow, lid, upper cheek, ear, middle cheek, lower cheek. Inhale, plant, lift, exhale, soften. Inhale, lift, exhale, soften. Inhale, lift, exhale, soften. Upper, middle, lower. Coordinating with the breath. Inhale, lift, exhale, soften. Inhale, lift, exhale, soften. Inhale, exhale. First directions. Exhale, inhale, inhale, lift both your lips and try to touch the nose. Inhale, lift. Inhale, wave up the spine, ignite the face, lift the lips. Exhale, smile. As you inhale, lightly lift the right side muscle of the nose. As you exhale, soften. Inhale, left side. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift the right. Exhale, soften. Inhale, left. Exhale, soften. Inhale through the spine. Lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale. Lightly press the lips together. As you exhale, blow. Exhale. Inhale, wave up the spine. Exhale. Soften. Inhale, plant the fingers on the neck. As you inhale, lift the fingers lightly across the skin. Exhale, softly down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, pointed fingers on the inside, lightly press against the bone. As you inhale, roll the fingers across the brow to the temple. As you exhale, back to the center. Add another finger. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And then go for the whole face. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Large inhale, wave through the spine. So we breathe from the tailbone to the chest. Lift the wave of breath through the neck, through the face, activating the nerves in the face, through the eyes, forehead, top of the head. And as you exhale, visualize the muscles relaxing in the forehead, the brows, the face, light smile on the lips, soften the jaw, neck muscles, shoulder, chest, and follow the breath into the tailbone. Ending with symmetric eyebrows, light smile,